sir.
My name is Ashika.
My name is Muskan.
Today we have to explain here law of conservation of angular movement with the help of these instruments. This is a turnable chair and we have a wheel to explain this angular momentum. Can you please sit here? When my friend sat here at this turnable chair, I am applying some external force. When she expands this, the speed of this chair gets slowed down. Due to the moment of inertia, area is increases and angular velocity got decreases. When my friend contrasts this, the speed of chair is same as I am apply force on it because due to the moment of inertia got decreases and angular velocity got increases.
Yes.
Now I can explain the angular momentum with the help of this weight. Firstly, we have locked this weight because if we did not lock this, we can fall down.
थोड़ा पास उसको थोड़ा सा
Now I am applying some force on wheel.
इसको आप कैसे
Now she holds this wheel and I am applying some force on it. And she rotates, so the chair gets rotating in the opposite direction of the wheel. Due to we can apply some force on the wheel, so kinetic energy applied on it and we all also act upon the center of our body.
डायरेक्शन चेंज होती है तो कहीं चलता एंगुलर यस
So I am going to explain the working of centrifugal forces in the century. We have two poles and a conical flask. The two poles are different weight. One is heavy pole, that is black pole, and one is lighter, that is that red pole. So I am going to pass both the poles at the same time from that hole. Sir, in daily life, we notice that heavy objects or heavy ball will come to Earth much earlier than the lighter objects. But here it is different. Why is it so? Sir, because the centripetal force acts. The lighter objects have less centripetal force because of that shape of the conical flask. And polarization and this R depends upon the mass. So as the heavy ball is much in mass than the lighter ball, because of this the heavy ball rotates more in the flask and lighter ball rotates less. That's why the lighter ball comes first as compared to the normal heavy ball moves more in the flask. That is the motor.
ओके यस
This model works on the principle of centrifugal force and centripetal force. When we rotate this, so these are two bowls in which water is filled. So you are seeing that the water is not coming outside because the centripetal
Do you have the
force.
water? Yes. Okay.
As you see that the water is not coming outside because the centripetal force is acting towards the center and the centrifugal force is acting away from the center, which protect the water from coming outside. Thank you, sir.
Good, very good. Yes.
This is how we have stand. We stand. Now what do you guys see?
Yes. I can see my legs and the upper part of the yes upper part of me and oh yes change हो गए.
Sir, so this plane mirror and this is transparent mirror.
What is it? Yes,
My name is Siva and my name is Ambar. This is a working model of the Python
Pythagoras theorem. In this theorem, the sum of the square of the hypotenuse is always equal to the sum of square of other two sides. Here you can see Pythagoras theorem being applied on hexagon and sphere. For here, the volume of this hexagon is always equal to the other two sides of the hexagon.
And same is here.
So this is the working model of the Pythagoras theorem.
Very good. Okay. Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
It is an elliptical carabole.
Yes.
For understanding the basic property of ellipse, first of all, we would like to know the basic geometry of ellipse. Basically, ellipse has two foci which are marked here as shown, and this axis is called major axis, and this axis is the minor axis. Now let us head towards the property of ellipse. Ellipse has some special properties on which this carabole works. First of all, what happens? The distance between the center of the foci from any point of the ellipse is always constant. Let's see this point. The distance of this point from both the foci, this distance and this distance, is always constant, and the value of this constant.
जहाँ से आप वहीं से continue करो.
So what I was saying, that is the distance between two foci from any point of the ellipse is always constant, and that constant is equal to the length of major axis. That is this length. And the second important property, that ellipse has the reflective property of ellipse, according to which when we draw a tangent from the point of contact of the striker
Yes.
and draw a perpendicular to it, let's say this is the point of contact,
Yes.
this is the tangent, and this is the perpendicular.
Okay.
So it also follows laws of reflection, which is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection.
Okay.
The path followed by this up to the point of contact acts as an incident ray, and the deviated path acts as reflected ray. So in such a case, the incident ray will always pass through the reflected ray. Let's see.
Okay, good.
You can see that.
Yes. Okay, it works. Very good. Yes. Please introduce and explain.
Good morning, sir. I am Akshama and I am Shakti. Today we are discussing about this anti-gravity cone and how it is working. When we gently bring this roller down, what will we observe? The roller is rolling back upwards. But it is not anti-gravity, because anti-gravity is just a hypothetical law.
Yes, yes.
Here the concept of center of gravity comes. And what is center of gravity?
We know that the weight of any object is concentrated at its center, which is called center of gravity. And center of gravity is always should be at the lowest point.
When we bring this roller down, center of gravity raised up. But when roller,
We can see the center of gravity is at the highest point here. And here, when it moves upward, it is at the lowest point.
so the roller is moving up to attain its lower position.
Okay, very good. Yes. Come here. Short me.
This is that solar conversion of solar energy into electricity.
Small photovoltaic cell. The solar panel is made up of small photovoltaic cells. जिसे सेमीकंडक्टर बहुत सारे फोटोवोल्टाइक सेल्स को सीरीज ऑफ पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में एक साथ कनेक्ट किया जाता है, और जब उनमें सन रेज फॉल होती हैं तो जो सिलिकॉन सेल्स हैं वो एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं और वो लो कंसंट्रेशन से हाई कंसंट्रेशन पे मूव करते हैं, जिससे कि जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जब मूव करते हैं तो उनके अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में करंट फ्लो करता है और जो हमारा लोड है वो वर्क करने लग जाता है.
और सर जब हम इसके बीच में हैंड पुट करते हैं देन इट स्टॉप्स.
There is no energy source.
My name is Naina. In this model, when you rotate the handle of this parcel, you can see by moving the ball. This is because the an image stays on our retina
water level rises up to the top. This is because the rotating cylinder is coiled with a plastic tube, and when the water enters through it, the torque is affected and water cannot bear the shearing stress, due to which water level comes to the top of the tube. And this is mainly used for the irrigation purposes by the farmer to irrigate his fields and to rise the water level to the upper side of the mountains and
There is any other use except than irrigation?
it is also used to transfer water from low level
वाटर के अलावा कुछ और भी ट्रांसफर करेगा नहीं करेगा?
grains,
यस, ग्रेन्स वगैरह भी कर सकते हैं, अनाज वगैरह कहीं भी से नीचे अनाज बड़ा हुआ सेग्रीगेट करना है तो नीचे से अनाज भी जा सकता है, अनाज के दाने भी जा सकते हैं, यानी कि हम एट योर होम बना भी सकते हैं।
I'm going to explain this giant shuttle. These here two boxes are placed in which a coil is present. When we press this button, AC current pass through the coil, which produce a magnetic field. Varying magnetic field. This varying magnetic field produces current in this bobbin, and this bobbin also produces a magnetic field which of same polarity. Sir, as we know that like charges repel each other. When we press this, you can see ये bobbins of the position plates कर रहा है.
Very good. Yes.
Now we use different types of the mirror in which torches, vehicles, and reflexes, etc. Now this is a concave mirror in which our object was thrown front of it. It gives virtual and direct image and enlarged image because this is used in the torches. Because torches has a one point only and passes light through the spread all the side. So this mirror is used in our torches. Now,
Concave mirror, the invention is Jefferson in 1806.
Now this is a convex mirror in which you can easily see this portion and this portion in this view. Now this mirror is used in the vehicles because we can easily see the behind the vehicles and the weather which comes out. Now this is who invented this convex mirror?
Who is invention the convex mirror in Justus Swan in 1835.
She like as a glass, है ना?
This is a cylindrical horizontal mirror in which our object is like a low and oblate. मतलब इसके अंदर जो हमारी जो पिक्चर है वो कुछ चौड़ी सी और कुछ ओब्लेट में पिघली हुई दिखाई दे रही है. And now this is a mixture of mirrors. In this is a plane mirror and horizontal cylindrical mirror in which our portion is so low and oblique. This is a plane mirror. Now this is a plane mirror which we use in the dress up in our houses, and this is with plane mirror and vertical horizontal mirror in which our body is like a thinner. So this is a concave mirror and with horizontal
With the plane mirror.
plane mirror. And this is a concave mirror with horizontal cylindrical mirror.
Good morning.
Some mirrors and their images. First of all, observe the window at the top of the exit from a distance of 7 feet parallel to the window. A small plant is in mid-air. How does this strange phenomena occur? A flower hanging upside down inside exhibit and placed just below the center of curvature of a concave mirror forms a real and direct image directly out in the mid-air.
इमेज ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ रखना है? सेंटर पोजीशन. इमेज भी सेंटर पोजीशन बनी है, कहीं आगे पीछे बनी है. लास्ट प्लीज आप एक बार को. यस, कम हियर. हु इज दिस? मैंने इसका बच्चा. वाली क्या करेंगे? प्लीज यहाँ किसने करेगा? बच्चों का नाम स्पीड कर रहे हैं. और मैंने सोचा है कि ये आपके साथ नहीं था.
points of my इसमें हम अगर पेपर फॉर्म होगी तो हार्मोनिक में हमेशा को दिखाएंगे. प्लस हार्मोनिक में एक पेपर फॉर्म हो गया जो कि हार्मोनिक
to describe what divides the pixels.
Then disturbance.
Start.
Good morning, sir. I am Aarti and now we are describing this. This is Lesarge's figure. Good morning, sir. I am Aarti. This is Lesarge's pattern, which is made by Lesarge's pendulum. In this is simple harmonic motion which are in perpendicular direction, and this describes the frequency, amplitude of the sound waves or any waves. In this, if the length of the harmonic motion is also changed, then the frequency and the pattern will change. This is discovered by the French artist Julius Antoine Lesarge and describes the simple harmonic motion.
How we can change the pattern?
So if the length of the chain is changed, then the pattern can also be changed.
We can add. How we can add the colors?
So we can add the colors if we use sound, or if we use sand colors, sand.
If we need two more colors, three colors, so how we can do this? अगर 3-4 कलर चाहिए हमें पैटर्न में, तो कैसे बनेगा?
Different
एक साथ 3-4 मिला दें? ये ऐसे नहीं कर सकते भाई. एक तो ये लगाया, इसके साथ एक और लगा दे.
सर अगर एक सेट और परपेंडिकुलर हार्मोनिक मोशन का इसके अंदर डाल
एक सेट और लगा दें, 3 भी लगा सकते हैं. उसका साइज कम कर देंगे बोतल का.
Yes, sir.
3 एक साथ कर दें और तीनों को छोड़ दें. तो जैसे एक जाएगा वैसे वो 3 भी जाएंगे. तो देयर विल बी एडिशन ऑफ द कलर. अब आप देखो, इसको देखो ध्यान से. दिस डूइंग लाइक ए सिंपल पेंडुलम. जो आपका एक सिंपल पेंडुलम नहीं होता है,
Yes, sir.
इसमें अभी वन फ्रीक्वेंसी के आप कह सकते हैं कि सिंगल फ्रीक्वेंसी है. या अगर हम इसको ऐसे छोड़ देंगे सिंपल यहाँ से, इसकी एक ही डायरेक्शन की मोशन, लेकिन जब हम इसको थोड़ा साइड में छोड़ते हैं तो तब ये अंडर द 2 फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑक्सीडेशन करेगा. थोड़ा सा ऐसे कर दें
सर क्योंकि इनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी के बीच में तब 3:2 का जो प्रपोर्शन है वो बन जाएगा.
नहीं रहा था शुरुआत.
Here are two movable mirrors and a base. Here we are showing how the number of images are increasing.
So optics says that the number of images formed due to two mirrors is equal to the 360 divided by the angle between them. So when the angle between them is 180 degree, then the images formed will be 360 divided by 180. So it comes out to be 2 number of images. As soon we decrease the angle, the number of images increases. Thanks.
As I am